Youth and Family Counseling has been around for a long time, almost as long as I have. Started by the Louisville, Flower Mound, and Holland Village police officers to help hurting teenagers and their families.
Well, Youth and Family Counseling is one of those agencies that we really like in our community because we're helping put people back together.
I've got two children, Darby and Dylan, and they're 7 and 11. Dylan was starting elementary school and Darby was starting middle school, which are both really trying times. They both had separate issues, but they were both really sensitive children. And they had some really troubling times trying to adjust.
Most counseling services that you go to, most people can't afford it. But Youth and Family Counseling, because of all the grants that they get from the cities and the counties, they're able to provide exceptional work on a sliding scale for our citizens, and we certainly appreciate that because every citizen that needs the service will be able to utilize it.
I just don't think that I can express enough how the time at Youth and Family Counseling has really just brought my kids back. I can't speak and give glowing enough reviews to the professionals here. They really knew how to speak to my children and to reach them individually.
After 21 years in law enforcement, one thing that I've learned is they can't necessarily arrest your way out of a problem. When it comes to the community, the neighborhood, and especially the families, a police officer's got to have resources, he's got to have tools, he's got to have solutions other than a pair of handcuffs. Young people are going to make mistakes, that's just a fact. That's why the Youth and Family Counseling is so important. And the First Offender Program with the Flower Mound Police Department is how we partner together. If we have an opportunity to obviously help the families and the children, as well as keep them out of the system, that's a win-win for us.
We would encounter families where it's dysfunctional, and we know that this kid is likely to go down the wrong path if they don't get some help. And I know that on a couple of occasions I've been able to refer folks to Youth and Family Counseling and then encounter them later on as they become young, mature, responsible adults and how they've been a credit to the community, and it could have gone the other way. I credit Youth and Family Counseling to that.